Okay, new year, new us, right? Okay, so that means we gotta eat kind of healthy, even if it's not completely healthy, right? So today I'm gonna be making a healthy little snack mix. I'm gonna make 2 of them, and this is all that I'm using. So let's get to it. Okay, so for this first snack mix, I'm gonna start off with 1 cup of rice cereal, 1 cup of Chex mix. Then I'm gonna add 1 cup of pretzels. Now, this Chex mix is very plain. Well, Chex cereal, not Chex mix. This Chex cereal is gluten-free, saturated fat-free, all that sugar-free stuff. It's very plain, which is great for this snack mix because we don't want any added sugars, anything like that. To that, I'm gonna add 1 serving of natural almonds. They're not roasted, they're not salted, they're just straight up almonds. Almonds are a good source of healthy protein. There's no like animal fat, sugars, anything like that. Everything is natural. And to that, I'm gonna add 4 servings of dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is rich in iron and magnesium, supports a healthy heart, supports good blood flow, helps lower cholesterol, helps you de-stress. So when you're sick or you're feeling, in a bad mood, get you some dark chocolate. And I'm also gonna add 1 serving of walnuts. Walnuts support a healthy heart too. All these things are either good for the heart, good for the blood, help you keep your cholesterol down, because if you got too much cholesterol going on, your heart is not healthy. So that's it for this snack mix, and then you just want to mix it up and put it in a bowl. And I recommend using a little small Ziploc bag. They make them in the snack size, so you can consume this in moderation because it's not healthy if we're going overboard. So let's get to the next one. For this next snack mix, I'm doing 1 cup of sea salt popcorn, and I like to use this kind of popcorn, like just a plain white popcorn, no butter, no extra added salt, anything like that, because you can mix and match it so well. So to that, I'm going to add 1 serving of walnuts, which is 1/4 of a cup. I'm going to add 1 serving of almonds, and again 4 servings of dark chocolate, because this is going to add the sweetness to it. This is what's going to make it enjoyable. It's not that sweet, but it's not that bitter either. And lastly, I'm going to add 1 serving of chopped pecans, which is 1/4 of a cup. Then you want to mix it up, and that is it. And there's a lot of stuff into these snack mixes, but everything is mostly healthy. It's not fried, it's not added with a lot of salt and a lot of oil. It's very light on the stomach, it's quick to consume. You can just grab it and go.